today I'll show you how to crop images on Photoshop, and what I want to do right here, I want to crop this as an example. I want to exclude this part of the picture and to remain only with the left side. So let's see how can we crop images in Photoshop. Actually, that's pretty simple. So on the left side you can find a menu, and the fifth tool is the crop tool. You can either select the crop tool or you can press C as on your keyboard as in Charlie, then the crop tool will be automatically selected. Once you pressed C on your keyboard, either press on the crop tool, now you can readjust the size which you want, and as I told you, I want to exclude the other part, drag and drop the sizes where you want them to be, as an example this, and after you're done cropping and you're sure you want to keep you want to keep this part, or maybe you want to keep the sky, alright, press on enter. And now I just crop that image. If you want to crop again that image, press again, make sure the picture is selected, press on C, and now I can crop it again. And I made it much smaller, and you can crop it as many times as you want. And from now on you can save the picture with Alt, Shift, Ctrl and Delete or whatever. But this was the tutorial how to crop an image in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you have a great day from wherever you're watching right now. Bye bye.